Oh, by the way, happy birthday, Daniel. PS5 owners uncover simple hack to improve DualSense feedback. Did I need more DualSense feedback? Apparently I did. 2 years into the PlayStation 5's life cycle, which is still shocking to me all the time because I'm like, man, just showing up on shelves on a regular basis at the moment. So both the mic muted and unmuted in Doom Eternal and Dead Space, and there's a noticeable difference. Oh, if you mute the mic, you get more feedback, Will? That's the idea here?
Yeah.
What? The mic button is a small, clear bar. Is this a life hack? Is this a TikTok life hack?
Maybe. I haven't been able to try it out yet.
Okay.
But it was like a Reddit post. I kind of dived into it. And some people claim that it's working.
Are me and Kirk making a YouTube short?
Why not?
Okay.
Try it out.
All right. Well, you heard it here, Kirk. Better listen up. I tested both mic muted and unmuted in Doom Eternal and Dead Space, and there's a noticeable difference. To help you out, the mic button is a small, clear bar underneath the PlayStation logo home button. Simply press that, and it'll turn orange to indicate that the mic is now on mute. Players were amazed with the difference. Holy crap, that makes so much sense. Oh my God, you're right. I'm trying it out with Returnal, and sure enough, there's noticeable difference. OMG. Give it a whirl.
And some people claim that the reason why PlayStation lowered the feedback is because when the feedback's high, it might go through the mic if it's unmuted. It might be loud. So they toned it down when it's unmuted. Does that make any sense?
Yeah, when it's turned on.
Yeah.
Mute the mic, you can push harder.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, they should probably let us know that in some way without us having to have TikTok life hacks. But maybe they do. Maybe it's deep in the manual and no one ever reads it.
Maybe.
But
we should try it out.
Oh, we're going to try it out, Will.
Okay.
And get to the bottom of it.